In as much as base 10 is a different counting system from base 2, we can find the equivalent of a certain number in base 10 in base 2. This is known as the conversion of numbers in base 10 to base 2. Now, to do this, I will teach you 3 simple steps that when followed accurately, you will get the direct equivalent of a number in base 10 written in base 2. Now, step 1. You divide the given base 10 number repeatedly noting the remainders. That's step 1. Then step 2, you continue dividing until 0 is obtained. And then the third and final step is that you write the remainders in reverse order. That is, from bottom to top. Now, when you follow these 3 steps accurately, you are sure to find the equivalent of a number in base 10 in base 2. Thank you.